Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix transfer failed on Venmo. So I will be showing you a few methods here or ways on how to fix this one. So if you're getting a transfer failed error on Venmo when trying to transfer money to your bank or card, here's a complete step-by-step fix guide. First, you need to go to Venmo service status. So if you go to their server, you will see there if Venmo is working well or not. So basically, if you see that Venmo isn't working well, all you have to do is just to wait. Now, if everything is working well, the next thing to know if you are currently connected to a strong internet, make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile network, and then restart your connection or switch networks if needed. Now, after that, to check your Venmo balance, you need to open your Venmo application if you have. Now, tap on the hamburger icon, go to balance, and ensure you have enough funds for the transfer. Step 3, you need to update the Venmo application. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Venmo, and then tap Update if available. Outdated versions may cause transfer issues and any logs and conflicts. So you have to make sure that you're using the updated one. Step 4, you need to verify your bank or card info. So you need to open your Venmo, tap on the hamburger icon, settings, go to payment methods, and then check if your bank or debit card is verified, not expired, and still supported with some cards because other cards don't support instant transfers. Now, step 5, try a different method or transfer method. So, instant transfer is from 1 to 30 minutes using a debit card but may fail with unsupported cards. If you want to try standard bank transfer, that is 1 to 3 business days. So, instead, just tap transfer and choose standard transfer. Now, step 6, check for transfer limits. One of the reasons why I encounter this is that you don't know maybe that Venmo has daily and weekly transfer limits. So go to settings, limits to view your available limits. Exceeding limits will block your transaction. Now contact your bank or card issuer. Your bank or card issuer may be blocking the transaction or call or message their support to confirm nothing is being declined on their end. Lastly, clear cap ash. If you're using Android, just go to settings, app, Venmo, storage, clear cache, then relaunch the application. So basically, these are the few methods on how to fix transfer failed on Venmo. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.